The Coca-Cola journey begins with simple ingredients. Lorries arrive at the factory bringing in huge deliveries. We're talking tons of sugar, gallons upon gallons of fresh water and secret flavorings. First things first, that water gets a good clean. It's filtered to get rid of any bits and bobs, boiled to kill any nasties, and then treated to make sure it's top-notch. Meanwhile, the sugar is getting busy dissolving into that pure water, creating the base for our favorite drink. Now, for the magic touch, the secret Coca-Cola syrup. This is where things get really hush-hush. The exact recipe is locked away, known only to a select few. What we do know is that it involves mixing high-fructose corn syrup with caramel color, giving it that iconic brown hue. A pinch of caffeine for a bit of a kick, and some phosphoric acid for that tangy zing. All these ingredients come together in precise measurements, ensuring every batch tastes exactly the same. The mixture is constantly stirred, making sure everything is perfectly blended. This syrup is the heart of Coca-Cola, ready to be transformed into the fizzy drink we all know. Section 2. Bubbles and bottles. Mixing and packaging. The process begins with precise mixing of ingredients in large vats. Carbonation is then added, creating the signature bubbles. Finally, the liquid is poured into bottles, starting the initial packaging steps. Workers closely monitor the mixing process to ensure quality. Bottles are then capped and labeled, ready for distribution. Finally, the finished products are prepared for shipping, ensuring they reach consumers fresh and fizzy. At Coca-Cola, the journey from inspections to labels is meticulous. Every bottle undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure it meets the highest standards. Workers inspect each bottle on the conveyor belt, looking for any imperfections. Advanced machines then apply labels with precision, ensuring every bottle is ready for the shelves. The process begins with filling the bottles with the iconic beverage, followed by thorough inspections. Once the bottles pass the quality checks, they move to the labeling stage. After labeling, workers carefully package the bottles into crates. Finally, these crates are loaded onto trucks, ready to be distributed to stores worldwide. This entire process ensures that every Coca-Cola bottle you purchase is of the highest quality. The final stage of Coca-Cola's journey is packaging and distribution. Bottles are filled, capped, and labeled on high-speed production lines. These bottles are then packed into crates and loaded onto distribution trucks. From the factory, the products are transported to various distribution centers. At these centers, the products are sorted and prepared for delivery. Finally, they reach retail stores and vending machines, ready for consumers to enjoy. This intricate process ensures that Coca-Cola products are always available and fresh for customers around the world.